Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to withdraw your Cardano, ADA, from Uphold and transfer it to Binance in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move assets securely and efficiently, especially with the evolving blockchain landscape. This process is simple, but always double-check for any updates, as crypto rules can change. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Binance. You'll need your Binance wallet address ready. Head over to Binance, log in, and go to your ADA wallet to copy that address. It's crucial to use the correct network. For Cardano, that's the Cardano network, not Ethereum or anything else. Now, log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, navigate to your Cardano holdings. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there in your wallet dashboard. Select Cardano from your assets, then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, there might be network fees, so check those to avoid surprises. Next, paste in your Binance wallet address. Double-check it to prevent any mishaps. Losing crypto to a wrong address is a nightmare. Hit Confirm, and you'll be prompted to verify the transaction, possibly with two-factor authentication for security. After that, Uphold will process the withdrawal, which could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, hop back to Binance and refresh your wallet. You should see your Cardano tokens arrive. Congrats! You've successfully moved your ADA. Always keep an eye on transaction fees and security best practices, like using hardware wallets for larger amounts. That's it for this quick tutorial. If you're new to crypto or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.